From the very beginning, we wanted Lucid to explore what an entirely new luxury experience could be. Not bound by legacy technologies like the internal combustion engine, and not bound by the tradition of the automobile. New look at cutting-edge technologies we feel will expand the luxury experience and how we think about mobility. We focused on how we could transform the space both inside the vehicle as well as the space the vehicle takes up in the world around us.
The inspiration for the Lucid Air was drawn from the travel experience of an executive jet, and the key enabler for that is the miniaturization of the electric powertrain. A traditional car has much of its space occupied by the internal combustion engine. If you replace those traditional components with an electric driveline and batteries, you can open up a lot more space for the occupants. You can effectively reduce the height and the length of the vehicle whilst increasing the interior space. The consequence is a product which is truly disruptive in its nature, spanning a whole range of traditional products. No longer has the customer to choose between a traditional segment. The customer can have optimal experience in a single vehicle. With a significantly smaller exterior footprint, the Lucid Air offers even greater interior space than a competitor's largest class-leading sedans. The Lucid Air is a vehicle without compromise, one that has incredible performance, dynamic and emotional styling, yet still offers enough space
CO21 to high-speed unit, track is clear, 10 minutes to go. You are a go. High-speed unit confirmed at 17 miles per hour.
Besides presenting the highly anticipated Tesla Semi in November 2017, Elon Musk surprised everyone by rolling out from the Semi's trailer an all-new Tesla Roadster 2.0. The automotive community has wondered for years when the model was going to come out, and looks like it's scheduled for 2019. It will get a 3 electric motor powertrain, 1 for the front axle and 2 for the rear wheels, with the all-wheel drive capability. The range is promised to reach 620 miles, or 1,000 kilometers. That equals to a return trip from LA to San Francisco. As per Elon's statements, it shall become the world's fastest production car in terms of acceleration. 0 to 60 will take just 1.9 seconds, and it will be the first car to ever break 2 seconds time. 0 to 100 miles per hour will take 4.2 seconds, and moreover, the new Tesla Roadster is destined to become one of the kings of the drag strip, with just 8.9 seconds quarter-mile time. With a preliminary estimated top speed of 250 miles per hour, this roofless four-seater will be surpassing the superclass category, aiming right away for the hypercar class.